a first-class ticket to the grave. The fact is, if you're over the age of 50, your chances of facing a medical emergency double. But will your immune system be prepared to save your life? Especially if you have been polluting your gut with toxic substances? I asked myself this question every day until I found the answer. Hours and hours of researching on the computer. Several visits to the pharmacy and my primary care physician. All the time and effort put into searching for a solution for one of the most dangerous medical problems for people over 50. It wasn't until I stopped looking at the fiber and probiotic supplements themselves and started looking at the ingredients of what goes into them that I began to wonder. If all these products are so harmful to us, then why do people still buy them? What is it that makes these traditional solutions so popular, even though they don't work? I thought there was some crazy conspiracy theory. Or even some out-of-this-world plot created by supplement manufacturers. Well, it wasn't anything that dramatic, but it was still pretty eye-opening. The reason these solutions are still widely popular, even though they do not work, is because they've been forced down our throats for so long. We've all just accepted them as the only viable solutions. But what I'm about to share with you will have you wanting to throw out fiber, probiotics, and even brand-name laxatives. Together, we are going to redefine what it means to have a slim, healthy gut that doesn't leak by using this one rarely known gut supernutrient. Now, I was skeptical about this breakthrough at first. But having seen the shocking study results myself, and feeling the difference of complete elimination of gas, bloating, and bathroom issues I've personally experienced, I won't go another day without taking it. Leaky gut plus super nutrient equals perfect, healthy poops. This super nutrient has been shown to help you age gracefully inside and out while increasing energy, mood, and weight loss. How it works is by turning on the gut mechanisms that help boost the body's metabolism to burn dangerous fat around your gut known as visceral or belly fat. What makes this nutrient vastly different from standard fiber and probiotics? Well, it's in the science. Studies from Harvard Medical revealed that the expensive fiber and probiotics that we have fallen victim to for all these years are essentially useless when it comes to poop health. This is because they alone are not enough to fix the biggest problems of pooping too little or too much, keep gas odorless and under control, help the stomach stay flat and toned. More shocking is what happens when our gut doesn't have this rare supernutrient. The studies concluded that a deficiency of this nutrient in our gut will cause our body to experience 3 deadly symptoms. 1. Inability to lose deadly visceral fat. Harvard Medical School calls visceral fat a particular concern that has been linked to a number of deadly diseases. 1. It is also the hardest type of fat to lose if you don't have more of this stinky nutrient directly in your lower colon. Without it, a healthy, slim gut is nearly impossible. 2. Digestion-breaking leaky gut. Nobody wants deadly toxins and bacteria entering their bloodstream from the colon due to leaky gut. But without this postbiotic nutrient, specifically in your lower colon, it's impossible to truly heal a leaky gut and stop the painful and embarrassing bloating, gas and digestion suffering. 3. Diarrhea, constipation, gas and bloating. The consistency, frequency, and overall look of your poop are critical if you want to increase your energy levels, reduce pain, and fend off deadly diseases as you age. These telltale signs can also warn you if your gut is making weight loss impossible. This nutrient creates perfect poops.